Of our customers called us because the hinges and screws in their garage door kept falling off, and the door wasn't operating smoothly. We're on site now to inspect the problem and find out what's causing it. Let's take a look.
Okay, I'm about to replace on this door springs. Now, as you can see, none of those springs are broken. Then why I'm replacing the springs on this door? When we came out, take a look. The door, if you release to manual mode, you barely can pick it up. The door comes slamming down. And what happened from this, as you can see, is the panels doesn't sit aligned. You see all the screws, they already redid all the screws, coming out loose. So we need to replace the spring that this door can work and put something that will fit.
Those spring doesn't fit for this door.
No. After we tighten all the screws, let's pick up the door and see if it
Opa!
stays.
Amazing.
Huh? Oh, I see I missed one screw up there.
Wow.
Now, nice and smooth.